Hey, what's up YouTube? So today what I'm going to do is show you the free tool that I use to do all my video recording online. So with that said, we're going to get straight into it. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download OBS Studios. Alright, and then you want to just go here to the first one. Alright, and then I got Windows, but whatever you have, if you got Mac or Linux, pretty much click what you have and download that, and then once you do that, you're gonna come to this screen right here. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is pretty much just show you how I use this tool. It's free, and I really think that it's the best free recorder out, like right now. So I think you should really take advantage of this tool, because it's definitely a cool tool to use, and it's super easy to use. So I'm gonna just walk you through pretty much how I use the tool, and then give you just like a brief overview of it. I'm not gonna get really too deep on other things, because I really don't use everything else like that, like all the other features, but the features that I do use, I'm gonna show you how I use them, and it's real simple. So right now we're gonna like this, you got the display capture here, and if you click that eye, it'll pretty much turn the display off, and that's pretty much whatever screen that you're looking at on your computer is what this display capture is. So I turn it off. If I turn it off, the screen goes black. So if I had it on we was watching YouTube or whatever we were watching, doing whatever on here, it it's just gonna go black. So then I got the video capture device. It's the same thing. That's pretty much just my face wherever I have it, and it'll go out if I press that. And the same thing with the other one. I got two video capture devices here. So just because I like having my face in the middle, so I can talk to you guys and you can get a visual of me talking. So more of a connection, I feel. So I put it right here in the corner. Like if I'm going through Google or whatever I'm breaking down for you online, and I want you to see the most of the screen, I'll just try to put me to the side there. So that's pretty much that, how you use that. And, if you go here, you'll see like the desktop audio. You got two volume knobs for that. So if you was watching YouTube, it was too loud, you can control that from over here as well. You can turn it down on YouTube, and you can turn it down over here, and of course on the side here. So I pretty much try to leave these volume buttons, the volume here alone, keep, the one on YouTube alone, and maybe just tweak it up over here, and make it sound right with my voice. I pretty much compare my voice, and keep listening to it over, so I know that my voice is at least louder than whatever content, or whatever video I'm watching. So something to keep in mind. And then you scroll down, you got this mic box, and then you got two of those, and then you already know that's pretty much for the mic in the ear. So, and then you can click on the side here and go to like advanced audio properties and kind of tweak it up manually here. But I really never really come in here. Like I really don't do nothing too much in here. I just keep it the same, or if I want to mess with the volume here, I do it right here. And then what else I use is like I'll go to settings. I'll go to settings and like the hotkeys. And as you can see, like right here, I got for my start recording, I got the number 0, and then I got the stop recording, the ESC button. So it's pretty much I can press those and control the recording, stop and go, And then I got the same thing hooked up to the show display capture, and the videos. And it's pretty much self-explanatory though. So, but I'll give you a little demonstration. So, like, look, when I press the 6, the screen will disappear. When I press the 9, it comes right back up. So that's a little cool feature that I utilize all the time, actually. And then it's the same with my face. I can take it off. If I press 4, if I press 7, it goes right back on. But now you see how both screens pop up. I don't know how to make just one screen pop up. I didn't actually figure that out yet. I didn't even look, actually. But, maybe I can figure that out for myself on another video. But I just pretty much will go over here after I put them on. I'll go over here and just turn off whichever one that I want to turn off. But that's pretty much how the hotkeys work. You can do something over here too. I just never got that far yet because everything that I do with it, I know how to use. Like, so that's pretty much as far as I got. I just figured out what I needed to do with it and used it for that purpose, So and then if you go up here, pretty much when you're done recording your video and stuff, it'll be right here. You just go to show recordings and boom, you go in there and the video you just recorded will be in there. You can look at it, delete it if you didn't like it, or whatever else you're trying to do with it. And like me, I go to after I record my video and everything, I go to here. Actually, it's called Adobe Premiere, and this is where I edit all my everything that I record online. I edit it right here with Adobe Premiere Element 12. So, and that's dope. It's a real dope program that super easy to use as well. Actually, like I already recorded this video that I'm actually doing right now. And I got I have little clips there I can show you as well. Like this is it here. I'm in the Element 12, and I was just editing this video here actually, so I can show you that. Hey, what's up YouTube? So today what I'm gonna do is show you the free tool that I use to do all my video recording online. So with that said, we're gonna get straight into it. Let's do it. Hey, what? So that's kind of cool. And like I said, this is super easy to use too. But I get into that like I guess in another video, But that's pretty much how I use OBS. It's like super simple and super free. This is for the newbies. Coming in trying to use this platform. So I definitely recommend it. It works every time for me. I never have a problem with it. So, I hope you got something out this video, and if you liked it, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. All right, peace.